What's up, guys? Hey, so there's a noise. I need your help. You. Yeah, dude. You, that guy right. Maybe you too, but you.
I don't know.
So we're gonna hook the GoPro up, like in the bumper, like fender liner bumper area in the back. With the F150, when I'm backing up, only backing up, in reverse, hence backing up, reverse, it's kind of the same thing. So anyway, when we're backing up, it makes a clunking noise. Talked to a friend that's a mechanic, Googled it, I've looked everything up. One guy says it's the rear end. It sounds like, but it only happens when I hit the brakes. But I had the wheels off when we swapped them the other day and I checked everything, it seemed to be tight. I don't know. Hopefully the GoPro video, you can hear it clearly. I know I can hear it when I'm backing up. I know you can hear it.
Because I was walking right next to it.
And so you hear it. Tell me what you think it is. Or you could tell Beast Man what you think it is. Focus on Beast Man. There it is. Anyway, Beast Man doesn't really have any relevance here, except he just sits on my desk. But yeah, we're in the new office area too, so maybe we'll do a video on that. Not a whole lot going on, except dogs sleeping and an air hockey table. Got some storage, got the drone up there. Little work area here, but more on that later. More importantly, right now, just somebody hook me up, man. Tell me what this noise is. I'm about to take a trip. I don't want to listen to it every time I back up. So check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. I know it's a short video, but I'm looking to the internet to help me. Thanks for watching, guys. Got anything?
Oh, yeah, okay. So, first, you need to like it, and then after that, you need to hit that red button and make it, like, turn gray. And then comment and tell us what you think is wrong with it, or whatever. And then, go watch our other videos. And watch him drink that, oh, I say that.
See ya!